This is Polish food. Budyń. Yum.
Chocolate.
I mean, whatever it's called.
Peanut?
Walnut?
Peanut, I
It's
think.
walnut.
Orzech?
Orzech?
Yeah, then what's a peanut? You are funny, do it again. What's a peanut?
A peanut? Orzech.
Stupid. Then what's a peanut? I mean walnut.
Orzech? It's a peanut. Orzech is a peanut.
Then what's a walnut?
Orzech? We don't have specific names
Yeah, they
for
do.
orzech. Migdał.
Migdał?
Migdał is an orzech. It's some kind of...
Mama! Mama!
Migdał is...
Wiesz walnut, co to jest? Walnut? Wie? Jak się mówi po polsku?
Po angielsku.
Po polsku!
Orzech?
Walnut! Jak się mówi walnut po polsku? She didn't even listen.
We're like